Hello, this is Itcher. Okay, short video for Nick and all the other guys about the Akula Ruslan setup. Still have the PLL on a breadboard, meaning the part in the green box. Nothing hooked up to it yet. And I feed back my function generator signal 15 kHz square wave, and we have a lock on that 15 kHz. I built the other stuff, being the blue box is the cache driver and the cache DC to DC converter, plus this beige filter on a single PCB. Still looking for the correct transformer. I've collected a few. I have to measure them and see if there's something I can put here on to make the 130 volts. At the moment I have it running at 24 volts, so we have 24 volt on the drain instead of 130 volts. Like I said, 15 kHz signal goes into what is here the blue signal driving the MOSFET driver and the MOSFET. I have a kind of cache connected. It's not the cache of the Ruslan setup, but it's a cache I had made before with a top load. I have a probe, the yellow probe, hanging on top, and I measure the gate signal with the red probe somewhere there. And I use my O1 scope because I like to stay away from cache-like things with my normal scope. Red is the gate signal, and you can see it is 15 kHz repetition frequency. It's a small pulse, but it's the maximum I have set it. Otherwise, I will show you, we are now at 1 microsecond per division, so it's 500 nanosecond or something, I guess. And yellow is the return trace from the cache. It resonates at the correct frequency, almost 1 megahertz, which is the resonance frequency of this specific coil with the top load. But as we have a very low duty cycle, you can see this is the signal from the cache. It fades out, it rings down a long time, which something I did not expect. Perhaps I should load it more or something, I'm not sure, because I thought that the RF from the cache would only expand just a little bit further than the gate signal, but that's not the case. Okay, it's not a high signal. We are at 10 volt per division. So the peak to peak signal is about 36 volts. When I now decrease the gate signal, you can see the top. I can decrease it, make it smaller, but you can see directly that the signal from the cache is also dropping. So I can make a very narrow pulse, but then the cache basically stops working. And this is the maximum I get at the moment. But So I'm not sure if this, oops, my hand is influencing the stuff. I do not have any streamers with this setup. So I'm not sure if the 24 volt is enough, or that with the 130 volt that things will improve, but I kind of think it's strange that the ring down takes such a long time. Any comments are welcome. Thank you for watching.